Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you something that's new to me. May not be new, but it's definitely new to me. And they are these gigantic. These are like so giant. They're gigantic LOL Surprise fashion series. Mystery balls. You get fashion accessories inside. You do not get a doll. Disclosure, that's fine, but they are real wearable fashion. They're for 6+ and they look totally and utterly adorable. So I bought two. These little LOL Surprise Fashion Series balls are $2.99 each, which I thought was pretty good from Home Bargains. So I guess I wanted to see what these were all about. I'm trying to find a tear strip, which I think is here. Let's see, do we get a, already this is not going to be a nice easy tear. No, they're not. These tear strips, when you're opening LOL, mini brands, things like that, do you guys ever get the tear strips that just don't work? I always get tear strips that don't work. And guys, I'm just, as an FYI, I'm using this basket because these literally don't stay still. They roll everywhere. So we're just going to go ahead and open it. Really wish we got a nice tear. Yeah, not happening at all, but hey ho, that's okay. These are giant big pink balls, and they've got glitter. You guys probably can't see the glitter, but the ball is glittery. And when you crack it open, this is what you get. So we get a lot of this stringed paper. That for me is just a mess and a little bit of a waste. We get an instruction set, and then we get and I definitely think, yeah, there are 4 to collect in this set. I don't know if you would want 4 because they're watches and jewelry, but you may. But you get a set. There are 4 to collect. So this is what they look like. We'll pop that right over here. And we get 2 surprise bags. They say, Termy, Wormy, Shermy. And exactly the same on this side. So on this one we have, I don't know what yet. We have a mystery bag. Oh, we have, the first thing to pop out is a little ring. And we are getting the pink style. If you guys know what this little doll is called, let me know in the comment section below. But this little adjustable ring, actually a pretty big adjustable ring, but a nice little pretty ring. And then we have something else inside. We have a little bracelet, a pink one, which is cute. It's kind of iridescent. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle, but that's our next little item. And then we have this one. Okay. And inside here, we get our watch. Oh, comes in parts. Is that everything? Yep, that's everything. So inside we get our watch band or watch strap, probably band. They have done this up really tight. Okay, so we get our watch band. It is this pink and beautiful like mint green. We get a little watch face, and then, oh, a little watch right here that actually works. You can see here, I'm not good at setting digital watches, but you can see that it actually works. It has the same motif as the the ring, but I'm almost certain that you're supposed to get a little, actually guys, we got this one. Sorry, completely wrong. We got this one. But inside you're supposed to get a little charm. And I did not get a charm in the bags. Oh, I did. I was thinking that you were supposed to get a charm, and then you get this little charm. So what you do with this is you get your little watch and you pop it through here. There are actual cutouts for where it should go. So you can chop and change if you get the whole set. These little side bits go through where the little buttons are. and then you stretch it and pop it into the bottom. So this is where we're at. Then you get the little face and you click it on, I assume. Or does it screw on? No, I think it's a click. If it wants to click on. Oh, there we go. We click it on and this is what we have. And then on the bottom here, we have our little charm. And we just pop our little charm right on, to the bottom. And this is our little accessory watch, which is actually very, very adorable. This is what the face looks like. It's very, very cute. I do also think if you wanted to put the charm onto your bracelet, you could do that too. But this is our cute first little set of LOL Surprise Mini Fashions. We'll just pop this right back inside here. And I think we will also put this back in. And because what I will do with this little item is I will pop this in the charity box. You know, this paper stuff does not make it easy, one iota, to close up this box. But that's our first little item. That was a really big noise. But I'm going to use this basket again just to keep it from rolling off. I'm trying to find the tear strip again. Let's see, do we have better luck with this one? How are you supposed to do these tear strips? I genuinely don't know. But we're not going to waste time. We're just going to move on. Guys, tell me, do you collect LOL? Is it still like a big thing? I know a couple of years ago it was. I think LOL is really, really cute and adorable. But let's crack open our next ball. And again, we have all of the I call fluff. We'll just set that there, or the little paper nest. And again, we have the same little item list. We have 2 packages. We'll open this one first. Oh. And pull out our ring first, because I'm assuming we get the same. Oh, we got a different one, which is so good. We got this little cutie pie. And again, this is an adjustable ring. Very, very cute. And we got the purple iridescent bracelet. These bracelets are actually quite big. Very, very cute. Get rid of that. And then we get our watch accessory, which is right in here. And again, did I do it again? Oh my gosh, I am really struggling with these little charms. Oh, it fell out of the packet. So we have our little watch. This is a beautiful purple watch. We'll just take it apart. Oh, and what I like about this, I noticed it when I was putting it into the other ball. They are fully licensed, LOL Surprise on the outside, but this is our cute little watch band. These watch bands are rubber, stretchable, rubber, breathable. And this is our adorable little watch face. And again, it is just pop it inside. Make sure that you have the 2 little buttons on the outside and then the bottom bit, and then just make sure that it is in securely, tightly, and fits in nicely. And then we pop on our little watch face, which isn't, I mean, this really actually isn't easy at all. Is there a specific way that these go in? Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. And it looks like this. We have our cute little pendant with a crown motif. We pop that on to our watch. I mean, these are really adorable little, cute little, these are cute little items that you can get for a gift. For the price, I think they are totally adorable. And I mean, I know a watch alone is probably about £4. So you're getting all of this for less than that price, which I think, again, is adorable. Like I said, guys, I'm just going to pop this right back into the little ball because I will pop these into the little charity drop off. I don't like to waste things, and I love to buy these to review them, but I don't ever waste them. I make sure they go to really, really good use. Well, guys, let me know what you think of the mini brands LOL surprise fashion. I think they're pretty neat. They could have maybe done something a little bit different, and I really love this one, so I might keep trying to get them till I get this one. But I think they're a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would lovingly ask if you can subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to be here with me. I really hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe, please take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.